Okay guys, I don't have my GoPro today, but we're gonna be checking out some crazy knob and tube here. It's old style. Pretty much this is a spider's web, and I can show you how I'll do this in other videos, but a quick thing is, see how this is lighter than the one in the top? Okay, that is your neutral. Okay, you have to look out. That's the biggest pretty much secret. That black wire, that's most likely your common, but you do have to. Okay, see how there's the black wire there versus your neutral wire, the lighter one. That is your hot. You do have to trace back all these to the panel or to the source, wherever it's going. As you can see, all these knob and tubes, wiring, it's old style. It's actually not even against code, but homeowners, when they buy a new house, it will come up in inspection, and pretty much insurances want you to get rid of all the exposed. Right about here, they shove Romex into seems like 3/4 copper pipe. Little freaky. You go to these empty houses. Yep. It's pretty much an old transformer.